Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. Today I'm going to be demoing off Flurry Cloud. It's by Phantom Brand Fireworks, as you see, and that's what it looks like. There's no performance on this, but I've seen some videos on this before, and basically it starts off as a fountain and then it shoots up into an aerial. But anyways, let's demo off Flurry Cloud by Phantom Brand Fireworks. All right, guys, here goes Flurry Cloud by Phantom Brand Fireworks. Here we go, Flurry Cloud. Not bad, not bad. Make sure you guys give it a like and also subscribe to my channel for more content.